Love went down, love went down to the ground, to the ground. We're on our way to a better day, better day. Love went down, love went down to the ground, and to the ground. We're on our way to a better day, better day. Love went down onto the ground. On our way to a better day, a better way. Love went down into the ground. Just give us a crown of life we found, life we found. We're on our way to a better day, a better day. Love is found in the crown of life, the crown of life. Hey y'all, it's Jeremy James Martin here. I'm recording this video here to give y'all a little spirit, because I really need some spirit, to quit smoking cigarettes. And I was hoping maybe I could give y'all help raise y'all spirits up with a little laughter. There's our sun in the sky, Jesus Christ, as he stands next to the Declaration of Independence. There's the Declaration of Independence. I have it right there in full form. Declaration of Independence, you see. It is there. The Declaration of Independence in full form. Anyway, people, hope y'all have a wonderful day. And today is Sunday, and it's the day of the sun. Well, the sun's kind of blocked right now here in Alabama, home of where the heart is. Well, I hope everyone stays safe today. See there's our Declaration of Independence there. It is a wonderful story frame, and wild out, y'all. Wild out.